How to subtract matrices. It's actually very simple. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the dimensions of the matrices are exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to check right here. So this one has 2 columns and has 3 rows. This one has 2 columns and 3 rows. So that means we can do the subtraction. Alright, so that's the first part, super easy. Now all you have to do is subtract each corresponding location. So what does that mean? So this one, since we're doing this matrix minus this matrix, you take this value and you subtract this value. And that's how I got this. So -4 minus 4. You do that for every single location. So -2 minus -3. 0 minus 0. -1 minus 1. -2 minus 0, then 0 minus 0. Okay? And then we simplify each one separately. So we get -8, +1, 0, -2, -2, 0. And that's it. That completes our problem.